Ah,
Right, buddy, we're ready?
yes, we're ready, Sean. Thank you for finally turning up.
Did you want to check the frame and everything again?
I will have to now, yes, because you're late, but thanks very much for asking. You can keep talking if you like.
Hey guys, we're going to be doing the timeline for what happened in the last 12 months here at 5-Star Marine. This is a yearly video that we do. If you've forgotten who I am.
Are you seriously just going straight in like that?
I'm Sean, and this is...
No. Are you seriously?
Yeah.
That's how you're going to do it?
Yeah.
I don't know why I bother. Hello, I'm Jay.
Yeah.
I don't know why I bother anymore.
Welcome to the
Did
old
you get your
man.
notes? I printed those off for Sean because he can't work a printer
People
apparently.
say that we bicker like an old
No,
couple.
we don't bicker at all. There's no bickering going on here.
So actually, I think it's been an amazing year, and there's been so much. As we look back over the last year, well, as Jay looked back over the last year and wrote all the notes, there was quite a lot that we've had happen.
That's right.
So we're going to go chronologically through it. And
Can I just say, perfect timing, look, as one of our boats heads out for a beautiful trip somewhere.
Beautiful.
They're doing PP, I think.
So we're going to start with January, when Jay...
My birthday, January.
Yep, guess what happened in January?
My birthday.
Thailand did a Thailand.
Yeah.
And it changed the entry requirement rules to Thailand.
Didn't we do about 8 videos on that?
Yeah, they changed it for about a week.
Yes, and then they changed it again.
Because everyone complained.
That's-
Why did they
yes.
change it?
Oh, I can't remember. When you said we're going to do this, I said to you, I can't remember yesterday, let alone...
All right, so what happened was that China lifted its travel restrictions, and everyone was worried that Chinese traveling was going to cause new
Mayhem.
spread of COVID.
Oh, okay.
And so the government put in a testing requirement that you had to COVID test, but not just for China, for every country.
Okay, that went well, I guess.
And then 8 days later, they rescinded the requirement
Perfect.
in normal Thai style. And then during January, you went out on a boat with Lucas.
I did. I annoyed him the whole time. It was fun.
What was the line again? Are we...
Oh, have you got any yet? You caught anything yet? You caught anything yet? Have you caught anything yet? Have you caught anything yet? Have you caught anything yet? I could do this all day. I think it was fishing, wasn't it?
Oh, was it?
Yeah, I think it was a fishing one. I hope so, anyway.
Basically, the underlining thing in our entire office is that you annoy everybody.
Yes, that's what I'm here to do, Sean.
Since January, has Lucas gone on a boat with you?
Yes, they once.
Once.
But you sent me on purpose because I had to film him.
Ah.
That's
and
right.
Then we had some turtles laying eggs.
We did have lots of turtles laying eggs.
And you did a lot of videos, and I remember actually the Phuket tourism news, every week we were talking about turtles laying eggs.
That's right, that boat's got a very loud bow thruster, hasn't it?
Yeah, like it's not ours.
Yes.
So they don't maintain it very well.
No, they don't, you can hear that.
Kyle, block out the name of the boat.
Yeah. Anyway, turtles everywhere.
So that's January. February, Jay.
February was the month of love.
National Park changed how it would like to be paid.
That's right, it all went online. That was fun for you, wasn't it?
Actually, what happened was that the chief of the national park was done for corruption. Apparently had a safe full of money in his office.
Do we have to say allegedly or not?
Allegedly.
There we go.
And so then they changed it so you pay 50% of your fees online, 50% in cash. And our guest said that's confusing. So what we said is just pay it on the date of the guide, and the guide would take care of it. And so then Lucas went on board with you to do his PADI certificate.
That's right, that was fun. That was beautiful down there. That was down at Ratcha.
Yeah, with Graham.
That was lovely. It was
He
so
also
clear
did
water.
his free diving course with Kun Ploy from Bangkok Freedivers. Shout out to Kun Ploy.
What's up, Ploy?
We love you, Ploy. And you know, one of her reels the other day got 1.4 million views.
Yes, you told me that many
And
times.
she was very politely tagged us in it.
That's very kind of you. Thank you
Thank
very
you,
much
Ploy. We love
for
you.
looking so beautiful in your bikini freediving.
We're looking for Deep Week.
Yes.
Which is very soon.
We like going deep.
Then some, what is whale sperm?
Well,
I know about whale sperm.
I wrote the whale sperm. But do you remember when there was the clongs had a load of, they were dirty,
yes.
and the government said it wasn't anything to do with rubbish or sewage going into the clongs. It was because the whales had been doing their lovely stuff and they'd then been ejaculating into the
Pet
clongs.
Dick went looking.
That's right. No, Pet Dick came afterwards, but there we go. Pet Dick did come from that, from the whale sperm. Pet Dick came. I was looking for cocks and everything. What?
Not commenting.
Chickens.
Then, as an aside, I was told that in February, Living Waters Phuket, our foundation delivered neonatal intensive care units across provinces of Thailand. I think we did 15 neonatal units.
That's pretty good, man. Well done.
That's good. So much.
March.
Lisa number 2 arrives.
Hello, Lisa 2.
Not my second wife. No, I only have one.
Lucky you.
Lovey dally.
2's enough.
Lisa 2, the boat,
Oh, yes.
arrived.
She's lovely.
New boat.
New boat.
Yes.
And we'll get to the end because actually she's just had a refit, hasn't she?
We refitted her again.
Absolutely.
So Lisa 2 came.
Not literally.
During March, my beautiful wife, Lisa, got awarded International Women's Day Award from the Thai government.
Well done, Lisa. She's an amazing lady. puts up with him.
Yeah, that's fair.
Yes.
That's fair. April Songkran!
That's right.
Oh, that was the funnest ever. I remember throwing water at you and I ran out of water.
I know, that was fun. I loved getting water thrown over me.
Then some basketballer came on board. Somebody's famous, apparently.
Dwight Howard, I believe. Oh. Is that his name? Did I get that right? He was very tall. Obviously, he's a basketball player. He had massive shoes. In fact, I took a picture, I think, of my foot next to his shoes. They were huge.
I don't think he came one time. He came many times.
He came many times. He fell in love with 5 Star Marine, and he fell in love with Alex.
Yes.
Once again, not literally, but Alex took him out loads of times.
And shout out to our local friend who was taking care of Dwight while he was here. Kept recommending us to him. Thank you very much.
Yes, you're lovely.
Was that around that time that we got a new Hollywood reporter that got visa issues?
Oh, yeah. Whatever happened to him?
I don't know. Did he get kicked out of the
I
country?
can't remember.
What was his name again?
I can't remember now. Oh,
we
my
hired
God.
a reporter and I can't remember his name.
Put that on screen somewhere. I can't remember who it was. I can't remember. I've lost it. I've gone blank.
Anyway, after that, we launched...
Ramon! Hi,
Yes.
Ramon.
We launched a brand new program which has now become the most popular tour inside of all of our company and in many cases not available to be seen online. It's a hidden tour.
Ooh.
It was Guide Alex's Bioluminescence Tour.
Lovely tour.
It's very popular, this tour.
It is very popular.
And I've been on it and I think it's amazing, and the way that Alex runs it is actually...
Top guy, Alex.
Yeah, very good guy. We love Alex. At the same time, we also brought out our off-menu item, the Summit Nangshi Phang Nga Bay Tour.
Did that one. That was fun. I like it up there. Beautiful views of Phang Nga Bay from up the top of that hill. Lovely.
And at this time, I did a little journey to Bangkok to meet the princess.
All right, get you.
And part of the Thai Red Cross's 150th anniversary here in Thailand.
Well done,
Congratulations
Shaun.
to the Thai Red Cross.
Well done, Thai Red Cross.
An amazing foundation here in Thailand doing amazing things. Next, in May, we started to refit some of our boats. Man, we do maintenance early.
Yeah, no, I think that's right. I wrote that bit. I'm guessing it was May.
Yeah, so we actually, because the Similan closed and Lucas 11 is our boat that does Similan, so we pulled it out of the water and we repainted it, did maintenance.
Well, you should have mentioned Similan closed before you said the refit.
Yeah,
so Similan closed in May, so then we decided to do a refit.
Yep, and then Pet Dick came back again.
Oh, hello, Pet Dick. What was I looking for that time?
Is it a coincidence that the time that Pet Dick came was the exact same time that weed was legalized in Thailand?
Had nothing to do with it, Shaun, whatsoever. Nothing
Were
whatsoever.
you smoking a little bit too much while we're filming?
Kids don't do drugs.
So I'm not certain. Is weed legal or not? We did a whole video on
I
this.
don't know if weed's legal or not. You can smoke weed in Thailand. I'm not sure if it's legal or not.
And then we started off with our boat karaoke.
That's right. Jay on boat karaoke. It didn't last for it. No, it does. It's still going on, but we don't spread it too much on the 5-star channels anymore.
How many times have you sang on a boat?
I can't remember. Quite a lot.
Can we cut to Jay singing You're the Voice?
How long can we look at each other? It's a good one, that.
Yes.
The Village People was the one that I really enjoyed doing.
Then in May, we did a wheelchair training where we trained a bunch of locals on how to assemble customizable wheelchairs so we can provide mobility to people in all provinces
Was that
of
down
Thailand.
at the Courtyard by Marriott in Phuket town?
Yes, it was.
I was there in a suit. I looked very handsome. And so did Nan Chops.
And,
but I wasn't in any of the pictures because I was cut out.
You were my security guard that
I was.
day. Then in June, we had so many complaints about Jay's video about the mini scuba tank thingy that doesn't work and you can't pump up, that
I upset a lot of people.
Jay refilmed it.
I did refilm it.
And got air in it.
I did put air in it.
Allegedly.
No, I did. I did get air in it. And this 10-minute beautiful tank lasted about 3 minutes. But it was good
One of
fun.
our most popular videos on Facebook,
I know.
YouTube, is Jay doing the mini scuba tank
So many professional divers got so
for
upset.
20 minutes. And he can't get air in it, so he quits and throws it away.
I did.
And I've seen so many comments on this video
Honestly.
where it's like, I just lost 20 minutes of my life
I know.
watching Jay do nothing.
But I did go out and use it. We've done a couple of videos on there recently, and I've actually put air in it anyway.
If you haven't seen it, I recommend seeing it. It's really funny.
Yeah.
We'll drop a comment in the commenty thingy area.
And if you're a paddy diver,
Then in June,
Still
it
June.
rained,
It did rain a lot in June.
and then it stopped.
Yep. It rained more in July, though. I think you've missed a month.
No, I'm in June.
Are you still in June?
Yeah.
Okay.
And we started a petition inside our staff to have Jay fired. It didn't work because he was annoying everyone.
Still here.
Yep, apparently. I don't know why. You caught a beach rescue on video.
I did. I was doing a whole video about, this is a serious bit now. I was doing a whole bit about beach safety and about riptides and about lifeguards and the red flags and don't go swimming during when the red flags are up. And it just happened as I was packing up, Then there was someone got stuck out there and they had to go and rescue her.
And then we had the wonderful Vinny.
Oh, he got really good views, that video.
Yeah, Vinny came here and we talked about beach safety. Vinny is a local hero here. I think that's the right word for him.
That's right. He does lots of first aid and he catches snakes. Yeah. Real snakes, not fake snakes.
He volunteers in the rapid response first responders here. He's one of the only foreign volunteers on the island that's out there every day and night volunteering, helping those of you who get in accidents or have issues.
He's a lovely guy.
There's a great video from Vinny.
Well done, Vinny.
That's
a long
Yeah, because I forgot. Oh, I met the king.
Oh, I'm not sure you should say it like that, to be fair.
Yeah.
That's probably not the best way to say it.
Yeah, no, I did. I met the king.
Yeah, but it was the long in front of it.
Because I forgot what I was talking about.
Okay, good. Sean did meet the king, and so did Lisa. It was actually, we were all very proud of you, and there's some beautiful pictures in his office of Sean meeting the king, bending down on one knee, which he shouldn't have done, because he just had a leg operation.
Yeah, well, we'll get to that part in a little bit, because apparently in July, that was when that happened.
Oh, well, the morph, I can't remember what date. But anyway, you was on morphine at one point.
And in June, we delivered 14,000 spinal boards to the provinces of
well
Thailand.
Done.
Then July, big news, I was in hospital for 8 days on morphine.
That's right, and we did a whole Phuket Tourism News with Sean high on morphine that doesn't remember any of it.
No, I don't remember a single thing. I don't even want to watch that.
Can I just say, Sean had the biggest hospital room I've ever seen in my life. He was like the Queen of Sheba lying there. Double room, double bed.
Everyone
nurses.
who booked a tour during that period of time, I'm apologise.
Yeah. God knows what happened that month. All I know is Sean got a new car a month afterwards.
Yes,
we won't mention all the other stuff he signed that day.
These are things that you should not do while on morphine.
That's right.
Purchase things and sign contracts. We also won an award here at 5 Star Marine.
Oh, was that the TripAdvisor award?
Yeah, TripAdvisor.
Oh, yes. Best of the best of the best of the best.
We were
it's
number one ranked company in Phuket. 2 of our tours were the top 10 things to do in all of Thailand.
That's right.
And we won one of the best companies in Phuket.
Best of the best of the best.
Yes.
Shall I do the song again?
Yeah, you can.
We're the best around. Nothing gonna turn me down.
Jay went to the famous Soy Ramani, where they have all the special massages.
Soy Romani?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, it's not massages.
Not anymore.
Okay, not anymore. The American Navy made it very popular, but it's not popular anymore for that kind of stuff.
Jay spent a whole day looking for a Banksy that he didn't find.
No, I did find it. It was just rubbish and it wasn't a real Banksy. It took me ages to get there.
That was a great video, actually.
Thank you very much. It was
funny for me. I don't know
2
anyone else
hours
who watched
driving
it.
there.
Then on top of that, we started to fly up to Chiang Mai because our foundation was helping some refugees who crossed from Myanmar into northern Thailand.
That's
and we
right.
started feeding them.
Well done, Sean and the team.
90 days of feeding there, something like, I can't remember actually.
A lot.
Tons and tons of food. Then August, you and I had a fight. Not a physical fight.
Did we?
Yeah.
Why are we fighting?
Well, you said that PP is better than James Bond.
Oh!
And I said James Bond's better than PP.
Oh, that was a guy I had fun in that video. We should do more of that fighting videos. I was right, you were wrong.
And then we had a superstar on board.
I did go on board again, yeah.
But unfortunately, our entertainment reporter didn't even know who it was.
Who was it?
BTS.
Nor did you.
Sugar.
You didn't know who it was either. You'd never heard of BTS.
I didn't even know what
you
BTS
thought it was a
was.
train service in Bangkok.
Yes. So apparently, Sugar from BTS came on tour, filmed it all, put it on YouTube, got millions of views, and none of us knew he was on the boat.
Didn't even know him.
Thanks to guy Jimmy for giving us a heads up.
And as soon as we told all the people in the office, oh my God, Sugar from BTS was on the boat. I'm like, who?
Yes. Then September, we had some floods.
Oh, until September ends, Green Day.
But then it stopped flooding.
I did a knee slide as well. That was fun, doing a knee slide. I'm almost 50 years old. Why am I doing knee slides?
Party?
Staff party was, I really enjoyed the staff party because we
What
went
did you dress as again?
Well, we went go-kart in the morning.
Yes.
You won't see any pictures of me in the evening because I was taking the pictures.
Oh, you're the dinosaur, remember?
No, I wasn't a dinosaur. I was meant to come as a spaceman.
Kyle, no, do not put any of the embargoed footage into this video.
Or don't
What
put,
happens at a staff party stays at a staff
don't
party.
put my dinosaur jokes. What do you call a gay dinosaur?
No, please stop.
No, what do you call a lesbian dinosaur?
No,
can't do those ones?
no.
Anyway, I came as, it was a movie theme, and I came as, I was on top of the Hulk, but it wasn't the Hulk, it was actually
Maya Bay closed.
I hadn't finished my story.
Yeah, no,
you didn't
okay.
care. Maya Bay closed.
Yes, it closed
Well, no, it closed at the
permanently.
end. No, it only closed for 2 months.
Okay, they do this every year.
Every year. And
How many videos did we do
You're a
about
month early
this?
as well because it was in August it closed, not September.
How many videos did we do on this?
About 48.
Yes, because people was struggling to understand.
Can I just say it's open now?
Yes, but it will close again next year.
That's next year.
Then we talked about mushrooms in Phuket.
Yes, are mushrooms legal?
And guess what?
What?
One of our most viewed videos
Was
and
mushrooms.
also most searched for terms is now for our website is now mushrooms.
Brilliant. That's because we're such fun guys.
So 5-star mushrooms coming your way soon.
That's because we're fun guys.
Yeah, okay.
Yay.
Yay. And Jay acted like he was Brendan, and apologies to Brendan.
Yeah, I like that one. That was fun. I think I did upset him a little bit.
Sad news,
Oh.
Governor Wrong finished his term and moved on.
Thank you very much for all his hard work
We
throughout
loved
the
you,
years.
Governor
He's a
Wrong.
very, very cool guy. I really liked him.
And you know what he's doing now?
No.
Farming.
Is he?
Yeah, he's
I want to
retired
be
to
a
a farm.
farmer. I'd like to have a farm.
Which brings us to October,
October,
where
Halloween.
Maya Bay opened again.
Your phone's still going off.
Yeah, it's all good.
No, nice.
Maya Bay opened, Koh
Maya
Bay
Bay.
opened, Similan opened.
Can I just say, you talked about because the Koh Lipe thing was everything, because that is the Maldives of Thailand.
Oh, yes.
We should really push that
we
one.
went for a run.
We did go for a little run.
Yeah. At 4 o'clock in the morning.
Did we?
Was it 3 or 5Ks? I can't remember.
It was meant to be 3K, but then it turned out to be 5K. That was I actually quite enjoyed that day. It was really beautiful. Phuket town at that time in the morning was beautiful.
And we did our birthday bash.
We did a birthday bash. We went down and we had a good fun snorkeling. Didn't find any dolphins. Boom. And then we did some fun football on the beach. I enjoyed that.
While all of that was going on, we managed to operate 4,200 tours. Jay
That's a
had
lot of tours.
8 failed first dates.
No, 2.
And he's
It was
acquired,
two. It was
he's-
only 2 first
He's
dates.
acquired more animals. You have a snake, a rabbit,
Guinea pig.
2
cats.
2 cats.
Fish.
Wow. So that's it. That's the year what was at
What happened in November, Sean?
Star Marine.
What about December and November? We're leaving those 2 out? We could make something up quickly.
No. We filmed this in November. We can't talk.
Can I just say that we did a massive beach clean in November, which was really cool. Well done, us.
We did or are about to.
Well, they're watching this. We'd already done it, and I'll have footage from it anyway. They just put it on. It'll be fine.
That's it, guys. We hope to see you back here next year on this same channel. Jay and I promise to.
Your
just
phone's
be
really going off, isn't it?
Jay and I promise to be the exact same.
Absolutely. And Dr. Pepper, thank you very much for all your sponsorship you've been giving us, which is nothing, but we still love you.
And
no
for
matter
those
what.
who bring red frogs, keep bringing them.
And Dr. Pepper and anything else. Guys, thank you very much for watching all the videos. I really appreciate it. Really do. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Share the love. Share the love. That's all we ask.
And we don't really care. We're just going to keep filming the videos whether you watch them or not.
Because we have fun. Right, are you going to go and answer that phone?
Yeah, I'm going to answer that
This
phone.
is so normal of you. Yeah, you just drop the mic and walk off.
Yep.
Yeah, typical. You drop the
Star
mic.
Marine.
Oh, he's on. Look, he's done. That's it. There we go, guys. Thanks for watching.